The decrease in semen production in males is usually related to two organs, mainly the vesicles and the prostate. It must also be taken into account that semen volume decreases little by little over the years due to the aging of the male. This is a natural process and is not related to any disease. On the other hand, hypospermia can be caused by the following factors. Partial retrograde ejaculation. The semen goes toward the bladder instead of toward the outside when ejaculation takes place. Absence of the vas deferens in seminal vesicles as a consequence of a disease of genetic origin. Obstruction of the ejaculatory ducts, for example, due to inflammation or infection. Androgenic insufficiency due to a deficit of sex hormones such as testosterone. Sympathetic denervation, which is the loss of nerve impulses that reach the penis. Ejaculating frequently, a depletion of sperm occurs until the semen volume is recovered again. And bladder neck surgery in patients who have problems urinating. On the other hand, men who smoke or are overweight could also present a lower ejaculate volume. In any case, the urologist should evaluate possible cases of hypospermia with the aim of identifying more serious complications that could be going unnoticed.